ladies open category. Nariya si Charlotte, si Janet Alanda.
Okay na, wala na listahin. Okay, this is 5 laps of racing for the ladies open. Yes, rounder is Charlotte Gallardo. Rounder, Team Honda from the pride of Sagay City. Hey, ready area. Beginners open. Okay, so na-agree ang atong
Kuya ngayon ma-short yo.
ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies open. Oh, shot by Charlotte Gallardo, followed by Janet Alanda. Oh. Hoy, nagdog.
Riders down, riders down. Riders down, paliot na. Now leaving the race down from Honda Racing, Charlotte Gallardo from Sagay City, Negros of Bulacan, followed by GCW Racing. GCW Racing. Phoenix, paliot na Phoenix. Willow Block, Pierre, Pierre. Kapag isa na Pierre, kaya nakali naman na-stop sila. Yes, yes. Ladies open up, ready to go in. Okay, riders down. Riders down. Uno. Paliota Minix. Motor, ipadapin, alalay, ipadapin yung motor para umuwi ang mga atong races sa walay sa gabar, idapin ang motor. Minix, paliota Minix.
Oh, taga Sibunga.
Ano po sa starting area? Uppers sa starting area. Okay, still holding the first position, that is Team Honda Philippines. Honda Philippines. Sagay City, ni Charlotte Gallardo, running for second. Sino Brats, that is Janet Alanda from GCW Racing. Running for third. That is Kimaras ba yan ba na? Yes, from Kimaras, that is Richie Golot for the third place. Richie Golot for running for third. Running for third, that is David Nashon. Running for fifth, that is from ACP. Yes. Anak na siya sa atong major sponsor sa Chay Lauron. Chay Lauron. Ayan, pinayar jump na. Third jump by Charlotte Gallardo. And naman ay nagdagan, NGD Racing. Yes. Ayan, Charlotte Gallardo still lead. Followed by Janet Alanda. Ayan, hinahabol ni E.G. Golot from Kimaras. Ayan na po. Ayan na po si Charlotte Gallardo. Still on hit from Team Honda. Ayan.
Hoy, naapsan si Janet.
Riding from Kimaras. Ito si Janet Alanda. From GCW Racing Team. Yes, brother, still holding the first position. That's Team Honda Philippines. That is Bernardo from Sagay City. And also running for second, that is Gigi Golot of Kimaras. And running for third, that is GCW Racing of the Year Racing. Janet Alanda. And International Racing. Yes. And Chay Lauron in the running for fifth and nagaganda niya si Racing. Racing Kiron. Ayan na. And also number ako for si Star City at si Granley Lusaga. Alright, beginners. Again, something beginners open. And ladies 14 years old below. Rating area 65cc. Kaya area. Attention ha, 65cc. Pwede yung tabangan. Tabangin yung rider while in case na walang pabuhin tayo kumusunod. Pero, kumusunod mo on your own race ha, dili, iyon ang risk mo kumusunod mo ha, amping. Hindi na sa kanya, ay agol, sa kita sa motor. Hey! Okay, baliwag ka, lapper. Marshall, lapper, Marshall! Kaya magtama, Marshall, lapper, panablina, Marshall. Marshall, lapper. Okay, battle for the first position. For Ilonggo, Bader. Bader. Kining lead is open. 7 brother, may nagtulok laway kami. Yes, brother, nakakasabay. Nakakasabay. Oh, imo na tani kategori dai. Sakay na balik. Oh, sakay na balik. Ha? Imo na kategori. Wala ka ba ilus ladies? Kaya wala kayo nagdadagan. Oh. Okay, ayan na ang ating mga ladies open. Last one. Beginners open, last one. And ladies go on below. Waiting area 65cc. Get ready na ha. But there, napakaraming rider natin sa beginners open. Hindi na malala to. Dapat kayo mga taga-rider, mga taga-Dipolog City. Yes, umay. Oh! May kong amigos dito na, nakakadre. No? Still, Minigal team, Minigal! Winix, na dito sa baba, Winix, palihog ka. Winix, na dito sa baba, palihog ko. Lida mo to, Minigal team. Na dito sa baba, Minigal team, Winix. Kisa to ka rider, ato ah. Okay, partner. Minigal team, nasa baba. Kisa to ka rider, nasa baba. Pitro, kisa na rider sa baba, Pitro na. Pag-uulan dito, tabangin dito. Pag-amping, inigabang-labang dito, dito. Kaya maibusan ko sa motor. Then,
second.
kisa na rider, nasa baba. Atuwa ninyo. Okay, so, palihog ka. Kisa yung mga Pitro at mga nagdagan. Kisa itong Pitro at mga rider, palihog ka.